Hello and welcome to my channel. So today is the big day. We got the keys to our house and we are so excited. So I'm gonna go ahead and walk through and show the layout of the home. So here we go. Oh, it's so beautiful. So this is before we even started putting boxes in the home or anything like that. So as soon as we got the keys, I turned the camera on and we're gonna walk through. So this is of course, the main living room. We're gonna use it as a sitting room, so there won't be too much of, us sitting around in here, but there's the kitchen, and we'll come back to that. So you walk in the door here, off to your right would be the guest bedroom. And it's a pretty good size. We could get actually a queen size bed in here pretty safely with the side table and all that kind of stuff. So it's really good size in here. And then there's a closet right here, which is again pretty good size. So that'll be good for storage or, whatever guests we have over. And then here in this kind of hallway, there's a coat closet. And then this bedroom has its own, if you will, shower, or bathroom, I should say. And it's a full bath, so that's really nice. Our last house, in the rental, it was just a half bath, so it'll be nice to have its own shower. So then we come back out to the living room / sitting room. And here's kind of a area that we're going to put a kitchen table to eat at. And then the kitchen. Love it. This is a quartz countertop. And I'm loving it already. It's very durable. Thank goodness, because we need all the durability we can get. So lots and lots of storage. I still to this moment have not even filled up half of it. So I don't know what I'm going to do with all the cupboards, but it's nice to have. A great big sink. And then we have this pantry, which is really nice to have. I can't say the last time we had a pantry, honestly. So, and there's where the fridge goes, and I'm not really sure what that little space is for, but anyway, you can see we had brought boxes with us. We're ready to go. So the garage, it's a 2-car garage. And you could see the outside, the backyard a little bit. We're gonna have a big project with that. We're going back and forth whether we want to put in a pool or not. I'm not sure. We had a pool in our rental home and we just barely used it. It was really just kind of a waste of energy and everything. So I don't know. We'll figure it out. So this is the laundry room. Nice big area. I'll probably put in some cupboards and a spot to be able to fold clothes and stuff. And then you come around the corner here, and this is the loft area, which I love. And then here is the upstairs second bathroom. So this is the one that the kids use primarily. Again, it's of course a full bath, double sinks, which is really nice, so they don't fight about who's using what sink and all that kind of stuff. So here's one of the kids' bedrooms. Again, it's really good size. I think it's a little bit bigger than the guest bedroom downstairs. And the loft area is really nice. We've got a great big, well, the same sectional that we had before. And I tell you what, that thing is so gigantic, it takes up the whole space. But it's nice for movie nights and stuff. So this is like a linen closet, and it actually goes kind of deep into the left side, so that's nice. And then here's one of the other kids' bedrooms with the cute little round window. I really like that feature. And it's got a walk-in closet. And then you take a left, and here's the entryway to the master bedroom. And the master bedroom is a really good size. We've got room for our king size bed. I'm gonna have a sitting area with probably a couple chairs and our dresser, and there's more than enough room. And then here is the master bathroom. Again, loving the shower is huge. I mean, we could have a party in here if we wanted to. It's got the shower head straight ahead and then a rain head shower up there at the top. I definitely had to go buy some Rain-X for that window and a squeegee. Because, yeah, we're not going to be scrubbing shower windows. We're not doing it. And then the master closet, which is huge. I've never had a closet this big, and we don't even use half of it. Like, I'm gonna have a good excuse to go buy clothes now. So then there's separate his and hers sink area, and a water closet, of course. And one more look at the shower. And that pretty much does it. So be on the lookout for future videos. We will be putting everything together and making this house a home. I appreciate you guys watching today and look forward to seeing y'all in the future. Bye for now.